Hey, how y'all doing? Shop great. Trying a different gym. Full out fitness gym in Dallas. Hydro Bear. So let me show y'all how it is. We have the pressure, we have the speed, we have the time. So we're gonna be here for 10 minutes recover. And you can set it to go as high as you can and as low as you can. You know what I'm saying? If you want to go 30% of your body, just do your legs or whatever. So, see how that works? See how that works? So, let's see if it just focuses on your legs. So you focus on your legs, or go up to go all the way to the top of your body. Yep. Set all the way up to the top of the body. But whatever area you want. I don't know what these things are. Beach. Basically put your beach mode on there. Watch the beach or something. Nice relaxing. Okay. Alright. Got the beach for you. Headphones. Chill out. Listen to music. I don't know if y'all hear me. It's very loud. It's very loud, but they got so many. Oh wow, it really feels like you're on the beach. Let me see. Yeah, it really got different modes for y'all to use. Different pressure sensors. If you want that deep pressure. But it's a nice hydro massage you can do after the workout. Just chill out. So yeah. Yeah. Whoops. This is crazy, bro. No way. They got books for you to read and everything. Wow. That's insane. Y'all know I love a good book. Oh my god. And they got video games. Look at that. They got video games for you to use. They got music for you to chill out to. All kinds of chill out music. Got TV. Travel. Barbados travel guide. They need to stop. They must be stopped. They must be stopped. Oh my god. This is crazy, yo. This is crazy. Oh my god, they must be stopped. I ain't never seen. Y'all know me, I go to the gym all the time. I've been to different gyms, different cities, different states, and different countries. And I ain't never seen a gym like this, homeboy. This is crazy. This is crazy. Wow, wow, wow. So yeah. Make sure you spend some time recovering today. Make sure you spend some time working out today. I'm trying to get comfortable up in here. Yes. Alright. Sounds great. Like, comment, subscribe, turn notifications on. This is day 22 of 75 hard. And yeah, I'm about to catch a flight soon. And yeah, we'll be easy. We'll be breezy. Make great decisions, spin great, act great, shot great, y'all can do it. All right.